Hi everyone, in today's video I'm sharing a little glimpse into a recent in-person watercolor workshop I hosted. There's something truly special about painting together in a cozy small group. Being there meant I could give real-time feedback, answer questions right away, and share tips as we painted. It was such a relaxing way to create side by side, where every brush stroke was shared with laughter, conversations, and positive interactions. There's a warmth in an in-person experience that you just cannot replicate online. It adds so much depth to the learning process. The atmosphere was calm yet full of creative energy, with everyone inspiring each other in small but beautiful ways. And the best part, seeing my students paint live, watching their ideas come to life, and witnessing the pure joy on their faces. It's not just about the final piece, it's about the connections we make, the moments we share, and the joy of creating together. And for me, that's a wonderful reminder of why I love teaching watercolors. If you enjoyed this kind of behind the scenes look, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and join me for more relaxing watercolor inspiration. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.